Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 1st, 2022, the first day in November. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. And last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first puzzle I will do in this additional is the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, sometimes it's not a 3 stars but a 4 stars, but sometimes it could be a 3 stars, could be a 2 stars instead of a 3 stars. Anyway, we will see if this is really a 3 stars, but this will be definitely 5 4 1 4. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 4 eights. All right, 2 nines. So the 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 8? That's the question. All right. So we have an 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in that row? So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. All right. Then 4, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4 7 8 4 7 8 4 7 8 4 7 8, and look, we have a 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 3 missing numbers in this row, the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 3 9 1 3 9 1 3 9 1 3 9, and look, we have 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third row for number 3. 7 in this column, 7 in that first column, so the column between the second column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 and 8. Well, we have a 4 now in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. So we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Come on. Let me think. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and 5 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. Alright. Then let me see. I need a pair. Alright, we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Okay. 4. Okay. Yeah, I'm scanning. Come on. 6. 6 here. I need a 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4. Well, 6, 7, 4. 7, 6, 7, 4, 9, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this column. No 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. So what are these 2 missing numbers in this big square then? We have the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, and the 7, and the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Alright. Then 2. The 9. Okay. The difficult part now. 4. Come on. 1, 4. 6. What is 7 then? 7. 7. Well, let me put some numbers, otherwise it's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in the middle row. No 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7. It could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 6 should be here then. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 7 then. In this big square here, we have a 2 and a 9. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. Now we have a 7 in the last column, so this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 7, 3. 9, 7, 3, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column in 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in the last row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Okay. Then the 6 in this column, first column, the 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Then. Let me see. 1 and yeah. 1 and 3. Okay, 1 box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay, 3 and 9. Okay. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3 are missing in this big square. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, told you, sometimes it's not a 3 stars, but it seems it's 2 stars. Yeah, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.